Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Okay, so hi, evening friends, evening everybody. Bache, I guess we know each other pretty well. I'm Dr. Sushant Soni, MBBS MAMC, MD Pathology, Resident Hemato-Oncology, AIMS Delhi. But this session is not about me. It's about an extremely pretty and a smiling girl who is with us today, Rosmina. Hi, evening, Bache.
Hi, sir. Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm perfect. Rosmina, tell us something about yourself.
My name is Patel Rosmina. I have done my MBBS from Texila American University, which is based in Guyana, South America. But I got a chance to do my clerkship in Philippines, and it turned out to be really good because you get a good exposure there. And I got a score of 237 out of 300 in FMG in my first attempt.
I'll interrupt you slightly. Did you say 237?
Yes, sir. That's
That
correct.
is awesome. Seriously, I mean that's a wonderful score, especially in the first attempt. I mean, क्या करा था? क्या करा था? मतलब जैसे एक तो good luck factor तो हमेशा रहता ही रहता है. But it is your hard work which paid off. I'm extremely glad कि you did not take first attempt as कि मैं देखने जा रही हूँ कि कैसा आएगा paper. So tell us about your strategy. I mean, start from the beginning. What did you do?
Okay, so I really started the dedicated preparation in March. Although I was doing a bit by bit, but it wasn't a focused FMG preparation. And I would like to say that if we don't take it so lightly, don't take this exam so lightly, कि हाँ screening exam में कर लेंगे. And at the same time, do not demonize this exam. It's a screening exam, and it gives a fair chance to students to pass that 150 barrier. And trust me when I say that it does not matter if you get 150 or you get 200 above. At the end of the day, you are pass, you are eligible, qualified. Ranking का हम नीट पीजी में देख लेंगे. So right now, just get that straight in your mind. Don't stress and don't be too cool about it,
Actually,
and
three important things that you have told us. Firstly, ज़्यादा lightly नहीं लेना है, and secondly, ज़्यादा उसको demonize नहीं करना है. Beautiful words, because it is actually a screening exam. बच्चे इस टाइम पे many students have this thought process कि हम पीजी के लिए ये पढ़ लेते हैं, वो पढ़ लेते हैं, इतना tough आ रहा है ये वो. नहीं. Trust your faculties. They know what is to be taught, and paper उसमें से ही पूछा जाएगा. Firstly. सेकेंडली आई मीन बीइंग अ गाय, जितने मार्क्स तुम्हारे आए हैं उसमें से हम जैसे दो लड़के पास हो जाते, बट व्हाट शी हैज सेड इज परफेक्ट. It absolutely does not matter whether it is a score of 151 or 272, but there is a hell lot of difference between 149 and 151. So target
yes,
150 plus. So Rasmina,
yes.
tell us about your journey. Like which app did you choose? How did, I mean, kaise kya kara?
Okay, so before actually taking the Unacademy subscription, I was when I was doing my clerkship in the hospitals, I would just randomly go through YouTube surf when I wanted to see some topics quickly. So I used to get this Unacademy suggestion, and I used to randomly go through the videos, and I found it really useful. When I came back to India after doing the clerkship, I around March, I decided to take a subscription. There were actually, I'll be really honest, there were literally two reasons for that. First of all, Unacademy was affordable, and it's not that I am stingy or something, but I would not spend a hell lot of money on a screening exam.
Oh.
So I would rather do that in my competitive exam rather than the FMGA exam. So I just took that thinking, having that in mind. And second thing is because there were few faculties that I really like the way they teach. It's not about the content. Content सब जगह मिल जाएगा. There is no problem. कमी नहीं है content की. Resources are ample. If you go free, if you go paid, सब कुछ है. लेकिन it depends on the faculty how he guides you, because there's a very thin line between knowing the basics and then going deep into it. You never realize that when you start going deep into it, that is unnecessary at this point of time. So please really concise your resources. एक ही faculty follow करो. like pathology, let's say you teach pathology, there are 2 to 3 educators who teach pathology in Unacademy, right? Ab aapka video dekha hai, now somebody will like let me see what somebody else, some other educator is teaching, then they get confused, you know, and then they start seeing both and kuch bhi nahi rehta hai baad mein, you know, like there is nothing in your head at the end of the day. Concise it, and I love the way few faculties in Unacademy teaches that they concise it to FMG. ज़्यादा डिटेल में if somebody asks the questions, you, especially you straight away say that is not needed. And I like that about you, because you know you really don't have that much brain cells to occupy the hell lot of information that is coming. So basic याद रखना बहुत important है. कोई rocket science नहीं है. First paper आपने अगर देखा होगा तो मतलब सब सुना होगा सबसे, तो that was only one liners. So liners, और फिर सेकेंड पेपर था पूरा वो क्लिनिकल बेस इज बी, आई वुड बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, 2 से 3 लाइन से ज्यादा नहीं था क्वेश्चन, और भर के थे. So you just concise it to the high yield topics. You know already images are asked, focus on that. You know the high yield topics. चिल्ला के faculties भी बोलते हैं, let it be Unacademy or any other platform that you take it, they'll say this is very important, you have to go there, इसमें से question आएगा. So you cannot afford to miss it. And another important thing that a lot of students miss out on is PYQs. Please do PYQs, because वो क्या है, it's not that exactly question उसमें से आएगा, but it will actually give you an idea what topic are now and then, I mean, asked. So just do that, you know. Because you cannot afford to get a PYQ wrong. No, you can't.
I have to say this. I mean, this is an interview in which I'm winning the most. I mean, I'm telling you this as a fact, because what all the points that you have said are bang on right. I mean, content is same across the apps. It is about how well it is scheduled. With Unacademy, the sessions are live. So तुम faculty के साथ बैठे हुए हो, and I know it's not easy to see a faculty, you know, 2-3 घंटे 4 घंटे बोले जा रहे, we're not that good looking.
Yeah.
So अगर recording देख रहे हैं उसी चीज की, तो देखना मुश्किल होता है. Go for live sessions firstly.
Yes.
That will, you know, keep you engaged in the session. Secondly, as you said, you should know where to draw the line. इतना मुझे पता होना चाहिए, इसके इतना sufficient है. PG हम लोग FMG के बात कर लेंगे. Previous year questions, the topics. I mean, I think I'm gonna become a fan by this, that you enumerated all the points, right? Okay. So Rasmina, tell me about the thought process while making your own schedule. मतलब जब revise करती थी, कितनी बार revise करा? Or did you do all 19 subjects? कोई subject छोड़ के गई? How was it? I mean, how much luck played a role? Whatever.
Yeah, sure. I would definitely mention that, because people the people who are really preparing for this exam has to know that you cannot do everything. So don't even try doing everything. There are a lot of good educators, like you know, like Dr. Nikita, Dr. Zainab, and all those. They are all round. If you see the special classes they conduct, they cover all the subjects which are high yield. And trust me, I was the stars were on my side when I started. You know, you won't believe me. 1 day before, like 2 days before the exam, I started watching the last minute revision series on the special classes of Dr. Nikita Nanwani. कुछ नहीं किया. I did not make notes. I did not do anything. 2x की पे सिर्फ देखा उसको. Let's see, because my mind right now isn't working and it's a lot of pressure. Trust me, a lot of came up from that. So last minute revision series important है, उसको करो. Apart from that, when you're doing your scheduling, right? Honestly speaking, I'm not good at that, because when I make my timetable, I tend not to follow it. That is every time that I do that. So what I did was, आँख बंद करके whatever Unacademy schedules it, I go with it. आज Unacademy ने इतना पढ़ाया, I'll just go with it. इतना तो करना है.
Awesome. Okay.
One mistake, I would say that the weakness is the mistakes that I made was that I did not really focused on revision. Revision, जो subject है, I'll let you know this, because
हंसाओ मत, ठीक है? कितनी revision?
No. I learned it the hard way. Let me explain you why.
Okay.
because starting mein, at the very beginning, the subjects like pathology, there were forensic medicine and all, right? Pathology I like मेरा वो med school से favorite था, so I like it. So उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी because I have done it in a very much detail because
I'm
textbooks पढ़.
heartbroken. I thought I played a role in that. Okay.
No, definitely you did because
Didn't
they, no.
Sorry.
I can't, that is very wrong to say. No, you did play a role because there were only few live classes that I attended, and one of those, all the live classes that I attended, one of them was you, because सबके live classes मैंने attend नहीं किए थे because I like being interactive in class, and online thing is like a little bit on a, this is a bit of advantage when it comes to online platform, that you cannot see your tutor, and I am a kind of a person who would sit on the first bench and would nod at everything that educator says, and the educator would take out from my face if I understood it or not.
Okay.
That was then in the med school, so that was a little hard on me, and sometimes I would lose focus because there is no enthusiasm. I like, the educator has to build that enthusiasm for you to like, you ask question, you pimp the students, you have all those basic stuff that I like those. So one of them was definitely you. And I did pathology quite a few times. Revision ho gaya tha, because remember you did the grand test and something. तो उसमें पूरा revision किया था, and last में भी एक revision किया था. So that's an issue. But let me say, forensic medicine, ENT, all those subjects which were conducted before, right? Microbiology. Trust me, not revise it, and I do not have a lot of love for all those subjects because it's not like I dislike it, but it's just a lot of information, and raw information that sometimes it's just you memorize that. So when I went through that, I'm a notes kind of person, so मैं notes भी बनाऊंगी, मैं अपने ही notes समझूंगी भी. I do not go through PDFs. हाँ, I go through for the images, but handwritten notes are everything for me. Nothing beyond that. So I do that. Yeah. So I do that, and then what ended up happening is on the third month I realized that I failed revising forensic medicine, ENT, and what else, microbiology, right? So पूरा वाइप आउट हो गया था. ये इतने नोटोरियस सब्जेक्ट हैं कि एक भी चीज याद नहीं रहेगी आपको. और आई वुड से कोई सब्जेक्ट आप करो ना करो, बट माइक्रोबायोलॉजी आपका कम से कम 3 बार रिवाइज होना चाहिए,
नहीं तो याद नहीं रहेगा.
और थर्ड टाइम रिवीजन कब होना चाहिए? मिनिमम 2 दिन बिफोर एग्जाम. ये होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि if you see the paper, a lot of question actually came up from the microbiology. So I had to really sit and do all the 15 lectures of the educator recorded version, make notes of that because I can't really remember those.
True.
Imagine me doing that in the week before the exam, but that was worth it.
So what we can summarize by this is that these 3 subjects are as naughty as you, firstly. Secondly, you revised all the subjects at least twice. We can say that comfortably.
See, pathology was a special place where I could revise thrice because concise tha. Come on, it wasn't too much. It was concise and अच्छा लगता था पढ़ना. तो yeah, and then microbiology. उस दूसरे और सारे subject I did it once when I was going through it, like actually and second time a month, like 2-3 weeks before the exam. Okay. That too, it was chaos. It was a chaos. मुझे लग रहा था I don't remember. Everything is going above my head, and
normally सभी लड़कियां ऐसा कहती हैं, but for the lesser mortals I like to say कि बच्चे 2 divisions. देखो, one thing that Rosmina very rightly did was कि जिस दिन session होता था उस दिन अच्छे से पढ़ के revise करके खत्म करती थी. So that converts your short term memory into long term. That is one of the most important things. Firstly, वो करने के बाद बच्चे 2 revisions. I mean, she was extremely lucky, hardworking, lucky and intelligent. कि काफी subjects की एक revision के बाद had a wonderful score, especially in the first attempt. But I always believe in BSTS. Better safe than sorry. So 2 revisions. I'll recommend 2 revisions, but and need PG. Rosmina 2 revision तो करनी है. अच्छा,
yeah, definitely. I mean, I can't lose to rank lana hai. There's no in between, you know.
that is the spirit. अब एफएमजी निकल गया है, यहाँ पे नहीं रुकना है, अच्छे से रैंक लाना है. अच्छा, मुझे दो चीजें और बता. सबसे पहले, जैसे जब पढ़ती थी तो एक ही सब्जेक्ट पूरा दिन, लाइक मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग, या यू यूज्ड टू डिवाइड इट एज मॉर्निंग स्लॉट एज वन सब्जेक्ट एंड इवनिंग एज द सेकंड?
According to the lectures that were conducted in Unacademy, I would just go through those, and then revision, as I told you, that was I wanted to do it because I am a revision kind of person. But it could not work out sometimes. Sometimes it could work out. So it's like it's always going to be 50-50.
So I can safely say that you blindly trusted the schedule of Unacademy, the live sessions, and
yes, because I did not trust myself in making the schedule. So वो जो भी बोलेंगे मैं करूँगी. So
that is
left. I left ENT. Left मतलब कि I am saying left because मैंने revise नहीं किया था. So I would consider that in the left section. मैंने left.
देखो,
I have left side.
Left is कि खोला नहीं है.
नहीं. It's equal to खोला नहीं है, you know. It's equal to खोला नहीं है when you don't revise it.
एक दो सब्जेक्ट और पढ़ लेती तो मतलब मूर्ति बनाते MBA वाले की. This is the highest ever.
That is sweet of you, sir.
नहीं. So do not leave any subject. I mean, we will not.
Actually, I did. And trust me when I say this, that forensic medicine, although मैं उसकी इतनी बुराई कर रही हूँ, मैंने 5 घंटे का एक एग्जाम से पहले, लाइक जो वीक था एग्जाम में, फ्राइडे एग्जाम था, मोस्टली लाइक मंडे ट्यूसडे कर रही, सिर्फ स्पेशल क्लासेस में गई. लास्ट मिनट वो एक रिवीजन कोर्स था 5-6 क्लास का. आई जस्ट डिड दैट. ट्रस्ट मी, ऑल द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम फोरेंसिक मेडिसिन वाज करेक्ट.
Actually, awesome. And this brings us to the next important point. I mean, I'll say it as an advantage of Unacademy that at the same subscription cost, which you get the full course, the crash course and the MCQ series. So अगर किसी सब्जेक्ट का फुल कोर्स देखने का टाइम नहीं है, as she has very rightly said, उसका crash course देख लो. As educators, we make sure that 75 to 80% content is covered in the crash course. अगर crash course देखने का भी टाइम नहीं है for whatsoever XYZ reason, तो MCQs तो करने ही करने हैं, उससे भी solve हो जाएगा. So
MCQs you cannot leave because MCQ अगर solve करना नहीं आएगा, एग्जाम में टाइम नहीं होता है. There's 2 ways. Okay, there are 2 preparation strategies. One that you do in your preparation phase. Second, on the day of exam कैसे रहना है. ये 2 अलग-अलग है. Because अगर आपने एक भी छोड़ दिया, trust me, वो 150 का बार क्रॉस नहीं होगा.
And this is where
like there were. Sorry.
Come on. This is where I think many students sometimes go wrong, yeah. I mean, I've had so many people who are stuck between 130 to 150. It is not about preparation going wrong. It is just the strategy on the day of the exam जो बिल्कुल clear headed.
Actually, there are like few factors that plays a role in which you clear it or do not clear it. And intelligence is the lowest percentage I would give that, because intelligence thoda sa, let's say 5% cover hota hai. A lot of thing is common sense. तो common sense आएगा कहाँ से? जब ample amount of questions solve करोगे. पहली thing, you're going to solve a lot of questions. Second, revise. And the third and the last thing you would do is add more content to your brain.
So,
and the other way around.
I fully agree. This is a very common mistake. What they do is कि यहाँ से ये देख लो, वहाँ से वो देख लो, उसको notes में डालते रहो. Disastrous. I mean, guys, अच्छा, I'll not say this on a recorded channel, वो मैं बाद में बोलूँगा, but you should listen to her. I mean, this is one of the most genuine advices which has been given. Keep your wits with you. Do MCQs. What she is saying is common sense is actually your gut feel. अच्छा, and tell me this also, अगर किसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं पता था, कौन सा ऑप्शन मार्क करा?
मैं एक बात बोलती हूँ आपको, and this is where I went wrong. What happened is gut feeling. किसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं पता है, पहली जो gut feeling है वही करो, और trust me, वापस नहीं जाना है उस क्वेश्चन.
Change नहीं करना है.
And I did that in few questions actually, and I regret doing that because वो सारे correct थे.
देखो, तो भी regret की बातें मत करो, ठीक है?
No, like literally.
No, we will
I'm like, why the hell did I go to those questions? Like, I managed to get them correct.
spoken like a true nerd. But what it means to say is कि answers change नहीं करने हैं. Change the answer in revision only when you are sure कि पहले वाला answer गलत था. Not otherwise. Not otherwise. Lastly, Yosin,
Yes.
absolutely anything that you would like to tell your juniors or the next batch or whatever, कुछ भी जो last wrap up के लिए.
Sure. There are actually a lot of things I would like to say. But, what I would like to say is the juniors, you have enough time actually. I would not say more than enough time है.
Yes.
ठीक है. 1 महीना रखना है रिवीजन के लिए. 1 महीना रखना है रिवीजन के लिए. There is no other option. So 1 महीने पहले वाला सारा सब्जेक्ट्स कंप्लीट करो विद द PYQs. रोज PYQs देखने हैं, रोज क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. आई डोंट केयर वेयर यू गो टू. आई मीन कहीं से भी करो. FMG के क्वेश्चन है. मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी जाओ नीट PG के रिकॉल क्वेश्चन करो या एम्स के. वो यू डोंट हैव टाइम, जस्ट डोंट डू इट. FMG के क्वेश्चन हाँ वो करो. इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पे ज्यादा फोकस करो. Then revise. And the people who could not make it, actually especially those people, I would say that it's not about your lack knowledge hai, you just lack the strategy and you just lack the time management is a factor in exam actually. You don't think you actually second paper में मुझे सोचने का टाइम ही नहीं मिला. Just click और वही होना चाहिए because exactly 5 seconds before I completed the paper I could not even get to the question that I did, which I wanted to review that. नहीं हुआ. And a lot of people were unhappy that I saw on the exam day that they had to just mark it like that because they lack time management बहुत important है. First paper में ठीक है, one liners है, either you know it or you don't know, और ये two-way sword है. Either you know it, you don't know it. So trust me, and this screening exam gives you a fair chance to pass. आपको one liners आते हैं वो भी पास कर देगा, आपको clinical आता है वो भी, और दोनों का थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है तो बहुत ही अच्छा है actually. हो ही जाओगे अच्छे grades से. So मत इस एग्जाम से, कुछ नहीं है, उसको डिमोनाइज मत करो. सोशल मीडिया को अभी थोड़ा बाय बाय बोल दो, नहीं करना है अभी, थोड़ा स्टॉप कर दो. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही रूम में बैठ के संन्यास ले लो, लेकिन
I get it.
You tend to waste a lot of time on social media. So don't do that.
Tell me this. What did you do to keep you relaxed the whole day? I mean, अच्छे से पूरा दिन पढ़ रही है, relax कैसे करती थी? What's your hobby? I mean, other than talking with your boyfriend, and I hope कि parents नहीं relax कैसे करती?
I would like to say that unfortunately नहीं है, and that is
have a good look, guys.
Yeah, actually that's a very good thing because I have a negligible social circle. I'm not a kind of person who socialize a lot, but yeah, there are few friends.
You're pretty talkative. It's a pleasure to talk with you, and you're on the naughty side. Acha, but anyway, continue.
No, that's me. Like that's me. It depends on my mood. So yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, and then what I would do is stress है और कुछ है तो I would just go down because मेरा room upstairs है. I'll just go downstairs. I'll trouble my mother. I'll trouble my siblings. I'll just tease them or something. They'll get irritated. I have a lot of joy. I have a loving family actually, and that is a good thing to have. So
and they will be super proud of you, Rasmina. They will be super duper proud of you. I mean, I can see this. And lastly, I like to say this to all the students. Bache, you should have somebody to talk with. It can be your partner, your best friend, your family, whatsoever. It can be an educator, a senior, a friend. It can be me. It can be absolutely anybody. But have someone with whom you can share your frustrations, because yes, it is going to be a slightly frustrating journey. लेकिन अच्छे से पढ़कर निकाल कर खत्म कर रहे हैं. Take this as December, as it does not matter कि first attempt है या 10th attempt है. It absolutely does not matter. अच्छे से पढ़कर निकाल कर खत्म करेंगे. So I guess we can end it at this
just
point.
one last thing I would like to add. I'm sorry, I'm a lot talking.
No, come on, I love this.
As I mentioned before that if I start talking, I would not stop. So one last thing. don't take out your frustrations on the people around you. Like, don't shout or don't vent your feelings around them. You can go and have fun with them or something. Just try to forget it for a time. But it's a very unfair thing to go and really take out your frustration and anger or somebody who are around you who love you. That only brings guilt, and that only hampers your mental health. So don't do that.
So mental health and positivity, beautifully summarized, Rasmina. I mean, I'm gonna fall for you, I guess. But beautifully summarized, key positivity, having positive thoughts in a day, and surrounding yourself with positive vibes is important. You cannot study with guilt feeling, and you need that family support. And please remember that your family, your parents, everybody, they love you. अगर वो तुम्हें थोड़ा सा डांट भी रहे हैं या कुछ भी है, it is out of their love for you. So do not take it that negative.
Definitely.
Done hai bache. Absolutely done hai. So I guess bestest of luck to all the students from both our sides, and अच्छे से निकाल कर हम लोग खत्म करेंगे. Thank you and take care.